Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are very safe and I hope you celebrated Raksha Bandhan very nicely. Today I am going to teach you a new poem and its name is Kite, which activity we have done in the last week, and you drew the very nice kite. So this is the poem of the kite of NCERT 6th standard, and first of all I recite the poem and then I explain the poem. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of a wind it treads, climb to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as a wind falls. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and its wings fill, and up it goes. How bright on the blue it kites when it's new! But a regular thing you never will see when it flaps on the string in the top of a tree. And this poem is written by Henry Benn. Henry Benn. Henry Benn is the poet of this poem, and he is already a author, children's author, and script writer also. And he wrote many a very nice poem, and especially for the children also he wrote many of the poems. He wrote very nicely. This is American poet, and in this poem Child, this is a very nice poem of kite, and the author tried to describe the position of the kite when it's fly in the sky. So this is the poem of the kite, and it's related to the very nice poem and the situations when when we are trying to fly the kite on the sky. And in the clear sky, the poet already write in the situations that in the clear sky means when there are no clouds, a kite will look bright in it, and it will be clearly noticeable that the kite hurls, and with every wag its tail produces a cracking sound, and then while flying all of sudden the kite goes too high on the top, and just like a ship goes to the goes to the oceans, and down and the crest of the waves with the sail clothes. So here the author also tried to compare the kite with the ship, which is a sail on the oceans. So this type of comparisons the author try to happen and try to describe in this poem. And the first stanza, how bright on the blue, and here the color blue. The color blue is specified for the sky, which is clear sky, and the blue color is indicated for the clear sky. If the sky is full of cloud, that means it color is look like a gray, but here the poet indicates the color blue. How bright on the blue its kite when it's new. With a dive and dip, it snaps its tail. And the author tried to tell us that when the kite is new, it is a very with a dive and dip, and it is very new kites looking very fly very high in the sky, blue sky. And dive and dip, that means a jumping in the sky, just like a diving in the sky, and deep in their flying positions. So here poet also try to describe the positions of the kite on the sky, and he said that it is a clearly noticeable that when the kite is flying in the sky. And here also author tried to compare the kite with the ship also. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Soars like a ship when only in the tail, the soars like a ship with only a sail. So here also author and the poet also tried to convey the message that the kite hurls, and with every wag its tails produce a cracking sound. And in the end of the kite we are tie a tail. So he said that the tail making a sounds, and the kite goes high on the top and just like a ship, kite also goes too high, and ship goes up and down on the crest of the wave. Crest of the waves means the oceans. When the waves of the waters go ups and down, just like a kites also fly, goes up and high and come down according to the breeze, according to the speed of the breeze, according to the wind. As per the wind blows, as per the wind and as per the speed of the wind, and as per the speed of the air, kite also dives up and down. So here also poet compare the sky with that. Second stanza: as over tides or wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pools. So here the gust, that means a gust, it is a meaning of a strong wind. Gust, that means a strong wind. It is a new word. It is a gust, that means a strong wind. So here also the poet tried that's the as per the wind, as per the speed of the wind, the kites also rides and climbs on the, goes up and down, come down also. Gust, as per the gust, that means of a gust and pools. According to the wind blows, the kites also change their situations also, and then seems to rest as a wind falls. According to the wind, as per the wind flows, as per the waves of the wind, kites also come down with as per just like a ship also take a speed with the waves of the water, waves of the tides, and just like a kite also come down as per the wind, as per the gust and pools of the wind. So here I indicate that the gust word is used for the strong wind, and here also poet also described that it moves forward, it's take a speed, it moves forward as per the wind is strong. If the wind is strong, the kite also moves forward. If the winds fall, the kites also come down. So here but as the wind falls, it seems as if it is not also taking a rest for a while in the air. So here also poet described the situations of the kite as per the wind, as per the speed of the winds. When string goes slack, you wind it back. Here the meaning of slack. Slack is a new word, and slack is a meaning of loose, not a tight. So here also poet described that when string goes slack, you wind it back. Well, suppose our thread of the kites, when we are trying to fly the kite in the high of the sky, and we pick up the tide, as per the tide we slack the tide as a throw and lose the thread of the kites. It also come back, wind it, when the wind is come back, the kite also come down as per the slack, as per the string goes slack. That means when we lose our thread, the kite goes up high, and when we tight it, the kite also dive and deep and come down also. So here the meaning of slack I also described, that means loose, not a tight. Okay, next line: and run until a new breeze blows, and it wings till and up it goes, and wings feel and up it goes, and run until a new breeze blows. And he trying to run, goes up to the sky as per the wind, as per the breeze blows, as per the situations of the breeze, as per the flow of the wind, breeze, as per the wind blows in the sky, according to the waves of the air, the kite also fly high and high. As per when the winds fall back, the kite also come down, and its wings feel and up it goes. Next line: how bright on the blue, it's a kite when it's new. Again the poet described that when the sky is blue, the kite also looking very nice and very clearly noticeable. The kite is flying in the sky. Here also the poets described that but as the wind fall, it seems as if it is also taking a rest for a while in the air. Sometimes the poet also described that. Sometimes also poet says that the thread tied to the kite loosen. The thread tied to the kite loosen. The flyer tries to roll the thread and run till a new breeze fill its wings. And here the poet also described the flyer when he tied to the kite loosen, not slack, that means loosen. So the flyer tries to roll the thread and run till a new breeze, and flyer also waiting for the new breeze blows, and according to the new breeze blows, he also tried to fly the kites up in the sky. And but a raggeder thing you never will see. Here the new words, here also the new words, raggeder, that means a tor, fata hua, that means things you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. So here also the author also tried to convey the message. Here also the author also tried to convey the message that the situations of the kite when it tours, and a kite really looks bright on the clear sky, but when it gets struck, that means tore on the trip of फटी हुई जो kites होती है, जैसे फटने के बाद वो ट्रीज के ऊपर लटकी हुई होती है. So here also poet tried to convey the message that when it gets struck on the tree top of the tree, it looks torn and gives a poor look. When the kite tones, it looks a poor looks. It's not looking like new kites, and it's looking very bad, and its condition is very not noticeable also. Even when the kite is torn, and its look is very poor. When he hanging on the tree of top of the tree, it looking very bad. So here the poet also conveyed the message for the new kites, and its look when it torn and it gets struck, it's not looking like. The poet also try to describe the poem in the whole the situations of the kite, of the going up, and when it come fall down, and when it torn, when it making a sound with the breeze. This all the conditions it is described in this poem. I hope you understand very well that what is the real situations of the kite when it's new and when it's old. So here in this all conditions, poet described the conditions and situations of the kite. And the poet also tried to convey the message that as per the breeze, the kite also situations, their conditions in the up on the sky and high on the sky, top of the sky, and down fall back. So here all the conditions poet tried to convey. I hope you really enjoy the kite message in this poem, and I summarized very nicely. I hope you really understand. Hope you understand. Thank you, students. Bye, students.